Karen Then, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service and the KSC Bidding Consultant Program. So once again, I'm here with my floor machines, and now I'm on the profit side of the floor machines. So waiting for the employees to do what they gotta do to close their store, and I'll let you guys see us using my floor machine. This late at night, but I'm getting more experience on floors. We've been doing this, breaking edges, cleaning the edges, and getting all the grease out the walkway with the machine.
Stuff in there, it's not taking this much.
No, don't put nothing in there. I need to see it. You can put it in the machine. This here cleaner called Grease Zone is for kitchens and it's for grease. It works amazing. It's for kitchens and food. Now tomorrow I gotta go to an event with the NFL. So it's gonna be a long day, long week. Got a lot going on this week. Got another project Wednesday. And it's a power wash and floor job. Power wash the walls and floors. Showers. So I'm mopping every year. We actually did 2 of these stores tonight. I'm here at one, and then I have a team at the other one. They're done. I ain't worked hard like this in a long time, y'all. This is part of having a cleaning company, and cleaning ain't easy. Definitely ain't easy, especially if you want to perform with excellence. Feel confident with my floor team. I'm be here. I'm prepping this for you. 2026 is going to be amazing. I hope this year coming up, you guys go outside, let people know who you are and what you do. Too many people this year want to quit. I can't quit, it's a process. And if you ain't got no tough skin, maybe you should quit. But you gotta have tough skin in this business. Literally. I gotta do that break. It was a nice little job. They was there. 3 people somewhere. 2 there, one with me. And they called me yesterday. Needed it today. With a bunch of grease. I always clean my tools. Squeegee that Davey got works amazing.